Hello everyone, Simon here from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video at the end of the week as usual, covering the trades we did here at myforexmagicweb.com with the help of my Magic IB system. So let's get started. This is today's trade, November 3rd. Okay, and this is the one. This is the entry here, current entry, buy, right? And went up to 75 pips so far. This was the trade as well, which I closed the trade accidentally. I didn't record the chart. I made it, but it was like just didn't record it. Anyway, and this was a trade. So this you will see. So this is today's trade right from here to here. But notice this 20-minute chart, how nicely this thing, it comes down here exactly from a level 70.36. It's a weekly low, and right from there we broke it underneath. It tested it, and entry indicators all the way up, straight down to the next level, weekly high 69.09. Bounce from there, beautiful long setup, and then again a long setup. And look at this, similarity of these setups. Coming down, this was a good setup as well. So coming down, beautiful setup, going up to nice, beautiful, by the book setups. So this is how the Magic IB system works. Okay, so let's see the next on the second. Yesterday, 2nd November, this is pound USD. After the news, there was a big news, right? And after that rate decision, and price drop. This is why it is important to not trade around the news and wait a little bit, and then you get your share, small share. It's better than, for example, people probably went short here, seeing that its price is dropping, and look what happened. Exactly from 31.19 went up. That's a weekly low, big number, and then straight back to this number. What was this number here? It's not written here, I think. Oh well, forget it. And then straight down to 31.19. We broke it again below, went up, tested it, and dropped to this number 30.47. Very, very accurate and very, very calculated moves. With this IB system, you can see these kind of candles. You can really see how these levels are in play. Okay. I still want to see what this number is. It is 32 something. What was the number? 32 something. Anyway, well, maybe here. I'll see. Okay, forget it. So this is the 2nd November. Another one again, EUR-AUD. Okay, that's November, and then EUR-AUD, small trade, no big deal. This entry and the trade. Pound USD again. I mean pound Aussie, the same with the big news. Went up, came down, went up, came down, and then settled down. Right. When the dust is settled, then you wanna go, for a ride. And even from here to here, not bad, right? 120 pip, 69.09, straight down. This is the trade. This is the trade that I've been showing in the first chart. Right here, from here to here, entry straight to 69.09. Okay, so this was the trade, and here on the first pound yen, when it was going, look at this. But I introduced this new smaller time frame because we are about to run into a very slow time. November is going to slow down, and then December will be very slow, and you're not going to see big moves, for 100 pips, 80, 100, 150 pips. So we might have to do small charts, 30 pip, 40, 50, 60 pip. So this was the third entry, by the way. This was the trade. I think this was the trade, but I forgot. So, but this one I took it. You want to see it, and then this one, and then this one. And this is how, from 7-minute chart, smaller time, not 20 minutes, 7 minutes. And the beauty of this 7 minute chart is that on a 20 minute, you will see only one setup going all the way. But look, while 20-minute chart has a setup built, then you can come and take several entries from here if you want to take small shots, or hold on to one entry and then keep taking, more trades and close them and take him and close him and take him and close him, and make a lot more than the move itself. And if you miss a 20-minute setup, then not to worry, because 7 minute will give you entry anyway down the road. Again, this was the first chart, the first entry. This is the one. This is the one there you're seeing here. Okay, and from here to here, even 7 minute chart, you can see it's more than 40 pip. I closed exactly, my target was. You see TP set here, 51.61, got hit, and the trade was closed around 45 pip. But look at how many entries, man. Only the visual is so beautiful. All the ears are aligned, and then there's entry here, entry here. Any one of these entries will do the job, right? This is all probably, again, like 35, 40 pip here, and then more here, and then more here. Okay, and before that, on the 31st October, was 20-minute chart, pound Aussie again, 140 pip. Beautiful entry, gone with the wind. See, that's what I'm trying to show you here, that this is a 20-minute, but this is a 7-minute entry, 7-minute entry, 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minutes, several 7-minute entries. But if you wait for the 20-minute entry, you're going to miss the move. So that's why when it's a slow time or a fast move, where you're not going to see multiple 20-minute entries, but even if you have 20-minute one setup and then the move goes, you can just simply go on a chart like this and then take the entries. And another one on the 31st, 20-minute short New Zealand. That was just, I saw it, and I, just do the same thing. Several entries, entry here, then entry here. Not very good entry, but still. And this was indicated with all the way up. This one and this one are the best entries. All right, so these are like 7-8 trades. I did couldn't do more and much this week. In fact, I did quite a few trades. I wasn't expecting that much, because as you all know, probably not. A few days ago, my sister passed away in Houston, and wasn't very active, but still end up doing much better, because whenever I see a setup, just open a trade. That's it. And just got lucky, right? So these are the trades. But look at this chart. This is the one that you really need to pay attention. That this was a nice trade here on the 2nd, right? And then hitting 69.09, and it was, gave me two beautiful setups to the long. Here you don't see the whole story, but let me show you the whole story. What was the story? This was the chart, 20-minute. And look at the 40-minute, the same chart. This is what's happening. Okay, this is what's happening. So it's very nice. After a big move here, we needed to come down to touch 61%. Let's see if I can show you here. See the retracement, and it always comes like A, B, C. So it's A, B, C, and then bounce. And I don't know. I just made the chart that we might be dropping again if pound gets weaker, but if not, then we may drop right around here. It's like 1, and then 2, and then fly. So anyway, we need to come down a little bit, right? Or maybe all the way to 68, 65, depending on the weakness of pound. So, but you can see this big trade here, big drop here, was just exactly the channel hit all the way. So 40-minute chart gives you very precise, just like this right here. You can see a nice channel hit, accurate candles, accurate measurements. Okay, here, whoops, Yeah, not the channel hit exactly, but it's like ABC correction, beautiful, nice correction, and it went up. I messed up here. Anyway, this is the live chart. Okay, so this is the 40-minute chart, pound Aussie. This is what gives me the direction. That if it's a nice, pullback here around 61% or 50%, and then a reversal candle tells me that, okay, now we're going to go a long distance. And then you go on a 20-minute chart and look for the setup, or simply take entries from 70-minute. A lot of entries. If 7-minute chart, if you can go and see that drop. I missed that. I think that was the drop here. This was the drop, right? So not too many entries though. This is the only one on 7-minute I see. This is 20-minute chart. That's why I don't even have a 7-minute chart. But you're gonna see a lot of all of these entries are the 7-minute entries. Okay. No, I don't have it here. The chart's not open. So this is how it is. And if you like what you saw, go ahead and to my website and subscribe and start trading like this. Okay. Just keep in mind this chart. Beautiful entries, man. Coming down here, this was 120 pip, then this was probably 70 pip, and this one 75 pip. In 2 days, only one pair. Just watching these charts and these levels, what they're doing. Okay, and I teach you everything, and I teach you how to use it, what to look for, how to use this indicator, and how to use the Fibonacci levels. And these levels, these numbers are very important numbers, and you can see exactly how it breaks one level and then test it and then come down all the way to the next level and then bounce from there and then regard, and now we are above this level going to the upside. And here exactly you cannot see anything, but on a 40-minute chart you'll see what's happening here, hitting the TL at 61%, very good chance of dropping again. Okay, so if it drops, you will see my trades next week. Just like dropping here, I have several trades. Here, I will have several trades. Okay, and you can do the same. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and have a great weekend as well. Today is Friday, end of the market. And like I said, if you like, go on my website and subscribe today. Over the weekend, you can set up the charts. 40 minutes, 20 minutes, 7 minutes. I can go on even on the Skype and then teach you. And anyway, I can do any kind of help. I will, and start trading from Monday. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.